Ladies and gentlemen, life is a journey, a never-ending quest for betterment, and sometimes all it takes is 1 month to turn things around. In the hustle of our daily lives, we often forget the incredible power that lies within us to transform our reality. We get so caught up in the routines, the responsibilities, and the distractions that we lose sight of the potential for change. But here's the truth. In just 1 month, you have the power to change your life. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you that it's not. Change is not about big grand gestures. It's about small intentional steps taken consistently. The first thing you need to realize is that change starts with the mind. How you think determines what you do. If you are constantly telling yourself that nothing will change, then nothing will. But when you begin to believe in your ability to create change, you shift the foundation of your life. The key is to start small. Make small decisions every day that push you closer to the life you want to create. Your decisions are the foundation of your future. Every choice you make, big or small, contributes to the life you are building. But here's the thing, many of us underestimate the power of our decisions. We often believe that our circumstances define us, that we are stuck because of things beyond our control. But the reality is that your decisions are the key to unlocking your potential. The first step to changing your life is realizing that you are in control. You are not a victim of your circumstances, and you do not need to wait for external factors to align perfectly. What you need to do is make a conscious decision to change. This doesn't mean that everything will fall into place overnight, but what it does mean is that every decision you make from this moment forward is a step toward a new and better version of yourself. Start by making a decision that is simple yet powerful. Decide that you are worthy of a better life. Decide that you will no longer settle for mediocrity or let fear dictate your actions. When you make this decision, you open the door to new opportunities, new possibilities, and a new mindset. This decision is the turning point. From here, everything else will begin to shift. It's not about making the perfect decisions every time. It's about being willing to decide and commit to that decision, no matter how uncertain the road ahead may seem. As you move forward, remember that every choice you make will either move you closer to your goals or push you further away. So be intentional with your decisions. When you wake up in the morning, decide that today will be a day of progress. When challenges arise, decide that you will face them with resilience. When doubts creep in, decide to keep going anyway. Your decisions shape your reality. And in just 1 month, the small, consistent decisions you make today can lead to a profound transformation. But this can only happen when you truly believe in the power of your decisions. This belief fuels your actions and strengthens your resolve. It gives you the confidence to step outside of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. When you trust in the power of your decisions, you stop looking for external validation or waiting for permission from others. You take charge of your own life, and that's when the magic happens. This is the first step toward changing your life in just 1 month, believing that you have the power to make the decisions that will shape your future. And once you do, you'll realize that the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the courage to make those decisions every single day. Setting clear and actionable goals is one of the most essential steps in transforming your life. Without clear goals, you are essentially drifting through life, waiting for things to happen instead of making them happen. Goals give you direction, focus, and a sense of purpose. They are the roadmap that guides you towards the future you want to create. However, setting goals is not just about writing down vague dreams or aspirations. It is about being intentional, specific, and strategic with your approach. When you set goals, they need to be both ambitious and achievable. It's important to stretch yourself and aim for things that challenge you, but at the same time, you need to ensure that your goals are realistic enough to keep you motivated. For example, if you want to get fit in 1 month, aiming to run a marathon on day one might be too overwhelming. Instead, your goal could be to run 3 times a week and increase your distance gradually. This way, you can track your progress, celebrate small wins, and stay committed to your objective. The process of setting clear goals starts by identifying what you want to achieve. Think about the areas of your life that need attention or improvement. Do you want to improve your career, build better relationships, enhance your health, learn a new skill? The key is to focus on the most important aspects of your life that you want to change and choose goals that align with these areas. By doing so, you ensure that the effort you put in every day is moving you towards something that truly matters to you. Once you've identified the areas that need change, break those large goals down into smaller, actionable steps. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," make it more specific. "I will network with at least 5 people in my industry this month." Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," break it down, "I will work out 3 times a week and eat healthier." By breaking your larger goals into smaller tasks, you not only make them more manageable, but also create clear action points that you can focus on every day. Another critical aspect of goal setting is making them measurable. This helps you track your progress and stay accountable. Measurable goals allow you to assess how far you've come and whether you're on track. For instance, if your goal is to lose weight, specify how many pounds you want to lose and by when. If you want to improve your skills, set a goal for how many hours a week you will dedicate to learning. When your goals are measurable, you can clearly see your progress and adjust your approach if needed. Deadlines are another crucial element of goal setting. Setting a time frame creates urgency and gives you a sense of direction. Without deadlines, it's easy to procrastinate or let distractions take over. Deadlines push you to take action. However, it's important to remember that deadlines should be realistic and flexible enough to accommodate unexpected challenges. Life can sometimes throw curveballs, but if you stay committed and adjust your plan accordingly, you can still achieve your goals on time. Along with setting your goals, it's essential to stay organized. Write them down in a planner, on a whiteboard, or in a journal. Having a physical reminder of your goals keeps them top of mind. Every time you see them, it reinforces your commitment. When you plan your day, make sure to include specific actions that bring you closer to achieving your goals. Prioritize these actions so that they become non-negotiable parts of your routine. One common mistake people make when setting goals is trying to do too much at once. While it's tempting to overhaul every aspect of your life at the same time, focusing on too many goals can lead to burnout and overwhelm. Instead, focus on a few goals at a time, and once you accomplish them, move on to the next. This focused approach keeps you from spreading yourself too thin and helps you make steady progress. Goal setting is a dynamic process. It's not about being rigid, it's about being adaptable and learning from your experiences. If a goal feels too easy or too hard, don't be afraid to adjust it. If something is no longer serving you, change course. Your goals should always align with your growth and what's most important to you. Setting clear and actionable goals gives you the structure you need to achieve lasting change. It helps you move from simply wishing for a better life to actually creating one. As you take consistent action towards your goals, you begin to build momentum, and that momentum will carry you through the ups and downs. The power to change your life lies within the goals you set and the actions you take toward them. With clear, specific, and measurable goals, you can ensure that each day is a step closer to the life you want to lead. Creating a daily routine that supports your growth is an essential step in making significant changes to your life. A routine gives structure to your day, helps you stay focused, and ensures that your time and energy are being spent on activities that align with your goals. Without a well thought out routine, it's easy to become distracted by life's many demands, leaving little room for personal growth or meaningful progress toward your objectives. Establishing a routine that encourages productivity and self-care is one of the most effective ways to create lasting change. The first thing to consider when building a daily routine is understanding your priorities. What are the things that matter most to you? What are the key areas of your life that you want to improve? For example, if your goal is to get fit, your routine should include time for exercise. If your goal is to advance your career, you should make room for work-related tasks, skill development, and networking. Understanding your priorities ensures that you are devoting your time to the activities that will move you forward. Once you have a clear understanding of your priorities, it's time to plan your day. Start by blocking out time for the most important activities. For instance, if you are focused on improving your health, set aside time each day for exercise, meal preparation, and sleep. If you're working on personal development, schedule time to read, take courses, or engage in activities that challenge your mind. The key is to prioritize activities that support your goals and build habits that will take you closer to where you want to be. Having a set wake-up time is an important part of creating a daily routine. When you wake up at a consistent time every day, you begin your day with purpose and intention. A consistent wake-up time also sets the tone for the rest of your day, signaling to your brain that it's time to get moving and start being productive. Whether you are an early riser or prefer waking up a bit later, setting a fixed wake-up time helps you avoid wasting the morning and feeling rushed. In addition to wake-up time, it's essential to plan when and how you'll work throughout the day. If you have a job or business to run, structure your work hours to include focused periods of productivity. Break down your tasks into smaller, more manageable segments to prevent overwhelm and maintain focus. The Pomodoro technique, for example, suggests working in intervals of 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, which can increase focus and reduce mental fatigue. Make sure to schedule these blocks into your day so that you are working efficiently without overextending yourself. Your routine should also include time for rest and recovery. It's easy to fall into the trap of constantly working, thinking that the more you do, the faster you'll reach your goals. But rest is just as crucial to your growth as hard work. Without adequate sleep, relaxation, and time to recharge, your productivity will suffer. Include at least 7–8 hours of sleep each night, as this is essential for cognitive function, emotional well-being, and overall health. Additionally, take breaks throughout the day to clear your mind and avoid burnout. Don't forget to integrate self-care into your daily routine. This includes both physical and mental self-care practices that keep you feeling energized and grounded. Make time to eat nutritious meals, drink plenty of water, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Whether it's spending time with loved ones, practicing mindfulness, or doing something creative, self-care is vital for maintaining a balanced and healthy life. By incorporating self-care, you ensure that you are physically and mentally prepared to face the challenges of the day. When creating your daily routine, it's also important to build in moments of reflection and planning. Take a few minutes at the end of each day to review what you've accomplished and adjust your plan for the next day. Reflecting on your progress helps you stay motivated and provides an opportunity to identify areas where you may need to improve or shift your focus. Additionally, planning ahead for the next day ensures that you are not scrambling for time or energy and that you're prepared to tackle what's ahead. As you develop your routine, remember that it should be flexible. Life is unpredictable and things may not always go as planned. It's important to adapt and make adjustments as necessary while staying committed to your goals. If something isn't working or if you need to make room for new priorities, don't be afraid to modify your routine. The goal is not to follow your routine perfectly every day, but to ensure that your routine supports your overall growth and well-being. Building a daily routine that supports your growth requires commitment, consistency, and a willingness to adapt. By prioritizing the activities that align with your goals, creating structure around your work, and including self-care and reflection, you lay the groundwork for lasting change. Over time, your routine becomes second nature, and the habits you cultivate will help you achieve your goals and continue growing.
Celebrating small victories along the way is a crucial practice for maintaining motivation and building momentum towards your larger goals. Often, when working towards something significant, it can feel like the road ahead is long and full of obstacles. It's easy to become discouraged, especially when you don't see immediate results or when the path to success feels endless. However, by celebrating the small victories, you not only keep your spirits high, but also reinforce the positive behaviors that contribute to your progress. These small wins are what keep you going, reminding you that you are moving forward, even when the final destination may seem distant. The first step in celebrating small victories is recognizing them. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for big accomplishments and overlook the smaller achievements that occur along the way. These small wins can range from completing a task you've been putting off, sticking to your exercise routine for a week, or simply getting through a challenging day with a positive attitude. When you pause to acknowledge these moments, you begin to appreciate the effort you've put in and realize that every little step counts. Recognizing these small victories helps you build confidence in your abilities and reinforces your commitment to your goals. By celebrating small victories, you also create a positive feedback loop. Every time you acknowledge your progress, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and motivation. This boosts your mood and energy, making you more likely to continue putting in the effort needed to achieve your next victory. The more you celebrate, the more motivated you become, creating a cycle of success that propels you forward. In this way, celebrating small wins helps maintain your enthusiasm and keeps you focused on the bigger picture, even when setbacks occur. Another benefit of celebrating small victories is that it allows you to reflect on your journey. In the hustle to achieve your larger goals, it's easy to overlook how far you've come. When you take the time to acknowledge your small achievements, you give yourself an opportunity to reflect on the progress you've made and the challenges you've overcome. This reflection can be incredibly powerful as it highlights your resilience, growth, and ability to keep going, even when things were tough. It also provides clarity about what's working in your approach and where you might need to adjust your strategy. By celebrating small victories, you gain a deeper understanding of your strengths and areas for improvement. Celebrating small wins doesn't always require big rewards or extravagant gestures. It can be as simple as taking a moment to appreciate the effort you've put in. You might give yourself a well-deserved break, indulge in a treat, or share your success with a friend or family member. The key is to acknowledge the achievement and give yourself credit for it. By doing this, you reinforce the habit of focusing on progress rather than perfection, which is crucial for long-term success. Additionally, celebrating small victories helps to combat negative thinking. When you focus only on what you haven't achieved yet or on the obstacles in your way, it's easy to feel like you're not making progress. This negative mindset can lead to frustration and burnout, which makes it harder to stay on track. However, by celebrating small wins, you shift your focus to what you have accomplished, no matter how small it may seem. This shift in perspective helps to maintain a positive attitude, which is essential for overcoming challenges and staying motivated. It's also important to note that celebrating small victories helps you to stay connected to your purpose. When the journey feels long and tiring, it's easy to lose sight of why you started in the first place. By taking the time to celebrate along the way, you remind yourself of the bigger goal you're working toward. These small victories act as stepping stones, each one bringing you closer to your ultimate objective. By celebrating them, you reinforce your commitment to your purpose and keep your focus on the end result, even when the process feels slow. In a world that often values speed and instant results, it's essential to recognize that true success takes time. Building meaningful progress is a gradual process, and it's the small, consistent efforts that add up over time. Celebrating these small victories allows you to enjoy the journey, appreciate your growth, and stay motivated to keep pushing forward. When you celebrate often, you create a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment that makes the entire process of working toward your goals more enjoyable. These small victories are not just milestones, they are the building blocks of lasting success, and by acknowledging them, you reinforce the habits and mindset necessary to achieve your dreams. Reflecting on your progress and adjusting when needed is one of the most powerful practices you can adopt on your journey to success. Too often, people set out to achieve a goal and then focus solely on the end result, forgetting that the journey itself is just as important. Regular reflection provides clarity, helps you stay aligned with your vision, and ensures that you're on the right track. It's not enough to simply work hard. You must also take the time to step back, assess where you are, and make adjustments if necessary. Without reflection, it's easy to lose sight of your goals or continue on a path that isn't leading to the results you want. The first step in reflecting on your progress is to create a regular time for self-evaluation, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Setting aside time to assess where you are helps you stay connected to your goals. During this time, ask yourself key questions. What have I accomplished so far? What challenges have I faced? What worked well and what didn't? By asking yourself these questions, you gain insight into the effectiveness of your actions and begin to identify areas where you may need to adjust your approach. Reflection doesn't just serve as a moment of evaluation, it's a learning opportunity that can reveal valuable insights about your habits, mindset, and strategy. It's important to remember that progress isn't always linear. Sometimes, the path to success involves setbacks, detours, or obstacles that can make you feel as though you're not moving forward. However, these moments are not failures. They are opportunities to learn and grow. When you reflect on your progress, take into account both the achievements and the setbacks. Recognizing your wins, no matter how small, gives you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. At the same time, understanding your setbacks allows you to learn from them and adjust your approach so that you don't make the same mistakes in the future. Reflection helps to reframe these challenges as stepping stones towards success. As you reflect on your progress, it's important to be honest with yourself. Self-reflection requires vulnerability and the willingness to face the truth about your actions and decisions. It's easy to fall into the trap of justifying your mistakes or blaming external factors for your lack of progress. However, true growth happens when you take full responsibility for your actions, learn from them, and make conscious efforts to improve. This doesn't mean being overly critical of yourself. It means approaching reflection with an open mind and a willingness to accept that growth often comes with discomfort. When reflecting on your progress, it's also important to assess the strategies and actions you've taken. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we don't achieve the results we desire because our approach isn't effective. If you're not making the progress you expected, it's an indicator that something needs to change. Maybe your goals need to be redefined or broken down into more manageable steps. Perhaps your daily routine needs tweaking to make your actions more productive or sustainable. Or maybe your mindset needs adjustment. Sometimes, the way you think about a goal can either propel you forward or hold you back. Reflection allows you to look at these aspects objectively and make the necessary adjustments to get back on track. An important part of reflecting is recognizing when it's time to pivot. While consistency is important, there are times when sticking to a plan that isn't working is counterproductive. If you've been putting in consistent effort toward a goal but haven't seen any significant progress, it might be time to reassess your strategy. This doesn't mean giving up. Rather, it means being willing to adapt, try new methods, or even change your approach entirely. The willingness to pivot when necessary is a sign of maturity and growth, and it often leads to breakthroughs that wouldn't have happened if you had continued blindly following the same path. Adjusting when needed is not just about changing your tactics, it's about changing your mindset. When you reflect on your progress, it's an opportunity to shift your perspective. For example, if you've been focused on a particular outcome and haven't seen results, it may help to change your focus to the process itself. Rather than obsessing over the end goal, begin to appreciate the journey, the small steps, the lessons learned, the personal growth. This shift in perspective can keep you motivated, even when things aren't going according to plan. Another key aspect of reflection and adjustment is ensuring that your goals remain aligned with your values. Over time, your priorities may shift as you grow and experience life. What you wanted 6 months ago may not be what you want now. Taking the time to regularly reflect ensures that your goals are still in alignment with your personal values and desires. If they no longer are, it's a sign that it might be time to adjust your goals to better fit your evolving vision. Ultimately, reflecting on your progress and making adjustments when needed is about staying engaged with your own growth. It's about being proactive in your journey, not just reactive. By regularly assessing where you are and what's working, you give yourself the opportunity to course correct before it's too late. Reflection ensures that you remain in control of your journey, that you are continually learning, and that you are making intentional choices that move you toward the future you want. Staying consistent, even when it gets difficult, is one of the most important factors in achieving long-term success. Consistency is what separates those who achieve their goals from those who give up halfway. The path to success is rarely smooth, and there will be times when things get tough, when you feel like quitting, or when the progress you're making seems too slow. However, it is during these challenging moments that your consistency will carry you through. Staying committed to your goals, even when faced with obstacles, is what will ultimately lead to the results you want to see. One of the first things to understand about consistency is that it doesn't mean perfection. It's not about getting everything right every single time. It's about showing up day after day and putting in the effort even when you don't feel like it or when the outcomes aren't immediate. Consistency is about building habits that support your goals and sticking to them, regardless of how small the steps may seem. The truth is, success is often the result of the little things done consistently over time, rather than big dramatic changes made all at once. There will be days when motivation feels low, when the excitement you had at the beginning of your journey starts to fade, and it becomes harder to stay on track. During these moments, consistency is key. Instead of relying solely on motivation, which is fleeting and unreliable, focus on the discipline of showing up. This could mean doing a small part of your task even if you don't feel up to doing it all. By doing something, you are making progress, even if it's not at the pace you had originally planned. The key is to keep moving forward, no matter how small the steps. One strategy for staying consistent is to create small daily habits that move you toward your goal. Habits are powerful because they become automatic over time. When a task becomes a habit, it no longer requires as much willpower to get started. It becomes part of your routine, and you do it without thinking.
For example, if your goal is to get fit, commit to a daily exercise routine, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Over time, those 15 minutes will add up, and you will begin to see changes. The beauty of habits is that they build on themselves, and once they are established, they become a natural part of your day. Another key to consistency is understanding that setbacks and challenges are part of the process. There will be times when things don't go as planned, when you make mistakes, or when you experience failure. Instead of seeing these setbacks as reasons to quit, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. Every setback is a lesson, and every failure is a stepping stone towards success. By approaching challenges with a mindset of growth, you can stay consistent even when things don't go your way. This perspective shift allows you to maintain your focus and keep going, rather than getting discouraged and giving up. Additionally, tracking your progress can be a powerful tool to maintain consistency. When you track your efforts, you can see how far you've come, which can be incredibly motivating. Tracking allows you to celebrate small victories along the way, helping you stay engaged and encouraged. Whether it's through a journal, a checklist, or an app, keeping track of your progress gives you tangible evidence of your commitment and effort. It reminds you that the work you're doing is paying off, even if the results aren't immediately visible. Accountability is another great way to stay consistent. Share your goals with someone you trust, whether it's a friend, family member, or mentor. Having someone to check in with can help keep you on track, especially during times when motivation is low. When you know someone else is aware of your goals, you are more likely to follow through. Accountability can provide the push you need to keep going when you feel like slacking off. It's also important to remember that consistency is not about working harder but working smarter. Don't burn yourself out by overexerting yourself. Instead, pace yourself and allow for breaks. It's not about doing everything all at once, it's about staying steady and focused over the long term. This means scheduling regular rest periods, taking care of your mental and physical health, and avoiding burnout. A sustainable pace is key to maintaining consistency over time. Lastly, consistency is about trusting the process. When you're doing the work day in and day out, it's easy to become impatient and want to see results immediately. However, lasting change takes time. Trusting the process means having faith that your efforts will eventually lead to success, even when you can't see the results right away. It requires patience, persistence, and a belief that the work you're doing will pay off in the end. The journey to success is not always easy, but staying consistent is the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. It's about showing up even when it's hard, sticking to your goals, and putting in the effort every single day. By building consistent habits, embracing setbacks, tracking progress, and staying accountable, you will find that consistency becomes your greatest asset in achieving the life you desire.
Surrounding yourself with positivity and like-minded individuals is one of the most powerful ways to maintain momentum and continue striving toward your goals. The people you spend time with, the environment you create, and the energy you allow to influence your life all play significant roles in shaping your mindset, emotions, and ultimately your success. When you surround yourself with positive influences, you not only gain support but also create an atmosphere that fosters growth, motivation, and perseverance. One of the first things to consider is the importance of the people around you. The relationships you nurture have a profound impact on your mindset. If you spend your time with people who are negative, critical, or unmotivated, it can drain your energy and leave you feeling discouraged. On the other hand, surrounding yourself with people who uplift and inspire you can provide the encouragement and motivation needed to keep moving forward. Positive relationships create a supportive environment where you feel valued, understood, and encouraged to grow. Whether it's family, friends, mentors, or colleagues, the right people can make all the difference in your journey. It's not just about the people you're surrounded by, it's also about their influence on your mindset. Like-minded individuals who share similar values, goals, or passions can serve as a source of inspiration and strength. Being around people who are on a similar path helps to reinforce your own commitment to your goals. They understand your struggles, celebrate your wins, and push you to be better. These relationships create a sense of accountability, making it harder to give up or lose focus. When you have others cheering you on, it's easier to stay motivated even when challenges arise. The energy and attitudes of the people you spend time with also affect your own energy and outlook. If you constantly find yourself around people who are negative, it can be challenging to maintain a positive mindset. Negative energy is contagious, and it can slowly chip away at your motivation and confidence. On the other hand, being around positive, optimistic individuals helps to reinforce a growth mindset. You start to adopt their attitude toward challenges and setbacks, viewing them as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Positivity helps to create a resilient mindset where you are more likely to see the silver lining, bounce back from failure, and continue moving forward with determination. In addition to the people you spend time with, the environment you create for yourself is equally important. Your physical surroundings have a significant impact on your mood and productivity. A cluttered, disorganized space can lead to stress and mental fatigue, making it harder to focus and stay motivated. On the other hand, an organized and positive environment promotes clarity and creativity. Whether it's your workspace, living area, or the places you frequent, creating a positive environment that aligns with your goals can help you stay focused and productive. Simple things like keeping your workspace tidy, adding motivational quotes, or surrounding yourself with inspiring visuals can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. The media you consume also plays a role in surrounding yourself with positivity. The books you read, the podcasts you listen to, and the content you consume on social media all influence your mindset. Choosing to consume content that inspires and motivates you is crucial for maintaining a positive outlook. Instead of spending time on negative news or toxic social media, curate your content to focus on subjects that align with your goals. Listen to motivational speakers, read personal development books, and surround yourself with uplifting messages that encourage growth and progress. The more positive input you have, the easier it will be to maintain a positive mindset. Being intentional about the people you surround yourself with and the environment you create also means setting boundaries. It's important to protect your time and energy by distancing yourself from individuals or situations that drain you. While it's not always possible to completely cut negative influences out of your life, you can choose how much of their energy you allow into your space. Setting boundaries helps to ensure that your energy is directed toward things that matter and supports your growth. It also helps to protect your mental health, allowing you to focus on your own progress rather than getting caught up in negativity. Ultimately, surrounding yourself with positivity and like-minded individuals creates an ecosystem where growth is not only possible but encouraged. It reinforces the idea that success is a collective effort and that you don't have to go through it alone. Positive relationships, environments, and influences work together to provide the support, inspiration, and motivation you need to keep going, even when it gets difficult. When you fill your life with people and things that empower you, you make it much easier to stay focused on your goals and continue moving forward with confidence.
In the dark where shadows play, heartbeats echo in dismay. Lost the map to yesterday, words too sharp to ever say. Ripped jeans and broken dreams, skate parks and silent screams. Moonlight dances on our schemes. We fly so high on shattered wings. Tears fall like rain on a midnight show. We're bound by secrets only we know. Holding tight but letting go. This love is a reckless rodeo. Graffiti hearts on alley walls, cage birds sing in concert halls. Lost within a maze of calls, we free fall where the night falls.